Out at flying field with Trev on the camera, and this is the OMP Hobby Bushmaster in a very bright scheme. I think it comes in two schemes. I think there's a white and blue scheme, but this is the yellow, black and red scheme. It's a scale model. If you didn't know, I'm telling you now. And as with all OMP Hobby aircraft, they really are amazingly well put together. If you look in, if you want to come closer, Trevor, show the folks inside. But as with the Edge 540, it really is so well put together inside. The balsa ply and the carbon reinforcement. It's really beautifully done. No need to add any more glue in there. You can see that the joints are all properly glued together. This version comes with the servos pre-installed from my buddy Darren at iActiveRC.com. So if you're in Europe, mainland Europe or the UK, look up iActiveRC.com as your preferred supplier for all OMP Hobby airplanes. But it will fly aerobatics, it will even fly 3D in the right hands. I haven't flown this, I think I've flown this twice, so third flight today, and I'll see what I can do with it, but mostly smooth aerobatics I suspect. Let's go. Goes around the other way, that'd be helpful. I've got a 6S 4000 pack in this, and an FR Sky receiver, of course using my Radiomaster TX16S, my preferred radio. Multi-protocol radio, you can use the modern ELRS receivers or FR Sky receivers, or even your older DSM2 and DSMX Spectrum receivers. It will, it even use, you can use Futaba receivers, can you?
Yeah, I've used Futaba with it.
So even if you've got some of those older receivers, you can still use them. Final check. It's always worth checking, I find. Everything's going in the right direction.
Does help. Makes it an exciting test flight when they don't.
It's not unknown for ailerons to be going the wrong way.
That's got to be the most common one, ailerons.
It is. I'm paranoid about that type of thing. It doesn't matter whether I flew it recently, I'll just double check. Nice. I like it when the tail dragger, when the tail comes up first. Sunny sky power system. Lots of power. So let's trim out. It's not my normal circuit.
As bad as Finn.
I know. He'll go straight into a 3D aerobatic routine, and you'll say to him halfway through the flight, "Did you trim out for level a flight?" And he'll say, "No, I don't need to do that."
I don't think he ever keeps the sticks in the middle position, though.
Oh, sorry. That's a lot of
knife edge.
Well, yeah, not as high as I intended. That was a lot of rudder. I wasn't using a lot of rudder, but it's a very powerful rudder.
Something that looks a bit like a trainer. It definitely doesn't fly like one, does it?
No.
It's very capable.
It really is. But then you could learn with something like this, and then progress as your skills progress.
You know, saying that was going to be my next question. What would it be like with the rate dial down?
Yeah. Do you know what? It would be absolutely fine. But all the advantages of a balsa and ply model. Lighter than your equivalent, much lighter than your equivalent foamy. Yeah, so nice to fly. Finn would be proud of me.
Yeah.
Rolling Harrier.
Oh, just a bit of a prop hang, yeah. Nice scale manoeuvre.
That is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Bit of flap. Oh, my God, swarm of
Lots
bees.
Of bees.
Oh, thank God we weren't in the middle of them.
Yeah.
Just, oh God. And tell you what, I'm not a fan of bees. As my family know, I'm absolutely terrified of bees.
Hopefully they're not attracted to red.
God, oh God. That was quite a swarm. Don't know if you noticed that on camera.
Yeah, you could see it, you could hear it as well, I would have thought. That's looking really nice. I actually quite like the yellow colour scheme.
Yeah, on a day like today, it's fantastic.
Yeah, I like the it's white and blue, isn't it? The other one, I think. But the yellow, it's definitely growing on me.
Let's do a longer pass inverted.
Looks rock solid.
Yeah. See, you know, when it falls out of it, you've got that sunny sky power to like wrench you out of it. Because in a wind like today, it's gonna happen. All right, bring it round to landing.
Flaps I can hear going on.
Yeah. Always want to land as slow as possible.
Yeah, it's Bushplane, isn't it? So. Nice.
So good. That's better than I remember it on the first two flights. Fantastic. So there you go, OMP Hobby Bushmaster on 6S 4000. You could use heavier packs if you don't want to really fling it around, but equally good in the hands of a noob if you want to learn how to fly with a really light airframe, or even a capable 3D pilots. And I threw in a few 3D moves there, but I'm a bit I'm a bit rusty on that type of stuff, but would be a lot of fun as well. Thanks for watching Essential RC, appreciate it. Just like showing you what we enjoy flying, me and Trevor and the gang. Thanks to Trevor on camera. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye. There we go. Superb, eh?
Yeah.